Alright, and so now we've got the rifle work. To talk through it really quick, rifle work starts in page 10 is when the rifles transition off of the field to get their guns. It's a fast transition, I apologize. The good thing is that, they throw the 45 on the flag on 9, they catch on 12, and hopefully when they throw it, they're on the sideline and very near the sideline. So that way 13, 14, 15, 16, they can just go down to the ground and pick up their gun and be ready to go by count 1. Hardest people for that will be 10 and 9 because of how far they're coming off the field. Study 11, you can play with this, rippling them onto the field by 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and then 7, 8, and then 9, 10. So basically you've got 4 sets of numbers. You've got 3 and 4 will come out on count 1, and then 5 and 6, and then 7, 8, and then 9 and 10 that'll come out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they come off of the front sideline if you're my audience from behind the screen or not. They're going to just have their gun by the neck. And this is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So like a figure 8 with the gun. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're moving backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Typically, I'd like to do a sachet with both of those. We're going to just turn 5, 6, 7, 8 to be set here. The only group that won't do that will probably be G9 and G10, the last group, because they're going to start the next ripple on 9. So your first 2 will come out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next group will come out on 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then your third group, which is 7 and 8, will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably not. They'll probably just come out 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll probably just go up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to be set. I'll clarify that in 1 second. And then your last group will just hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They'll just come out 7, 8. So for the last 2, they're going to have to come out earlier. So you'll have to play with this. I mean, some people can move 8 steps really easily, some people can't. If this doesn't seem to work because your back line has an issue getting to their dot, then just have them all come out together. They can all just come out, and use the gun like up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll let you kind of play with that. But on count 9, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, and 11, on count 9, G10 and G9 are going to throw a single or a double from flat and just catch, and then go to that facing down their line. On count 10, the next 2 will throw their single and catch, going to that, or double. The next line, G6 and 5, will go after that, throw their single, and go here. And then, if 4 and 3 can throw a 4 or a 5, I want them to throw that 4 or 5 on 13. So they'll prep on 12, then throw their 4 or their 5 to be able to catch and go into 1, which will be the next set of choreography. So it's just kind of a ripple that kind of pushes our view down the rifle line towards where that circle is with the flags and the trombones and trumpets, the little brass where they have their feature in the next set of music. So what you should kind of see is basically they come, they throw their flag on, and out 10, 11, 12, down, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, out, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, and then there's a dip on 12, and then out on 13 for the big toss. Does that make sense? So we kind of see single, 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 then out 4, 5, 6, 1, into the next little choreography, okay? And then they're all in together for the next set on set 12, which is going to be a rifle feature. So, they're all going to be here by 16-ish, except for the 2 or 1 person that throws that solo toss. And they're going to step through with a little flourish on 1, 2, 3. And grab perpendicular to the audience at the neck with their left hand. This could either be 3 or 4 depending on how fast they are, okay? Then from here, this is 3. We're going to pull this around to the back and flourish 4, 5, 6 with a rond de jambe with the left leg, okay? So we've got, we're all here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? From here, it's going to come up 7, and they're going to grab on all of our hardware right here. 7, you're going to step behind, 8, 9, and then you're going to back attitude the right leg as you pull the gun around 10, 11, 12, and actually hit the ground here. And the left arm should be up, excuse me. No, it should be down. 12, then this arm comes around, 13, 14, to grab where you would throw with your left hand. Then we swivel this 15, 16, then throw a triple. 17, 18, 19, 20, catching on count 20. So once again, we're here, and we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's kind of hard to do slow. Because the tempo is so fast, the counts are a little nebulous. Doesn't really matter so much what count everything happens on as long as the throw is on 17 and we hit the ground here on 12. Those are kind of the two big moments. Typically though, it usually goes 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I usually end up putting that back attitude on 10, I think. And sorry I'm like thinking through this while I'm on video because I'm just trying to think of all of what could happen. So 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 is here. Then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And they do have a move 16 from there. And then move 16, which is page 13. They just caught on 20. Then they're moving to the right, sorry, to the left. We're going to start with their left foot. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a sachet on 5, 6. I'm just going to cross my arms in front and back. So that'll be 5, 6, 7, 8 will be another one with the arms out in second. Then we're going to do a nice little tour on 9, 10, 11, 12 with the gun ending up here. And then just pull this around 13, 14, 15, 16 as they keep moving. The next set 14, is a whole 16 for the rifles. Now I want there to be some partner work here. So I didn't write it because I figured it'd be easier if you kind of played around with someone who can also spin and write it yourself, plus I think that'd be fun. And I don't have anyone here to do it with me right now, but I can write it tomorrow if you'd like. But basically, that 16 we just did from page 13 is when 10, 8, 6, and 4 should also kind of move towards their partner. So, they all kind of just slide across the field going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as they pull this around 13, 14, 15, 16, they can move towards their partner, okay? So maybe you have them do this tour 9, 10, 11, 12, and end up facing backwards, so they can move towards their partner, okay? And then that gives you a full 16 counts to do some partner work here with them as they hold in page 14. But by the end of that 16 and 14, you're going to want them to be kind of going back towards their dot at the end of 14 so they can continue to move into page 15. Does that make sense? And then in set 15, it's a move 16 and a hold 12. So the move 16 will just depend on where you have the partner work end. I would just dance them. Okay? And the end of that move 16 in page 15, I want them to end in second position with the gun behind them, underhand, as such, and facing the audience. And then they're going to be over, so that way the nose, the clip is down, strap is up, and it's above them. And this is going to be up 1, 2, 3, 4 to here. It'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. Dut, dut. And they're going to toss a triple on 9, 10. I catch them on 11. They'll probably be 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. And then from there they'll move. So that little whole 12 will be, oh, actually I think it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll be 7, 8, 9. Yeah, sorry. And they hold 10, 11, and 12. Cool. Oh, I've written so much stuff today. Okay. Yeah, so you've got a little bit of freedom here with the rifles, and luckily they're staged in a really, really good place, so we want it to be nice. Beautiful. Cool. I'll do a video with the music and the rifle in just a second.